Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Teacher Nikki here, and today I'm going to talk about something that I can't stand, which is waking up early to teach. And that's something that I've always hated about teaching, is that the fact that I have to get up early. Now, I actually have a solution for you if you teach online, so stay tuned. But my career, I've been teaching since 2005, and I would either have to get up at 5:30, 6 a.m. And I know for you that some of you teaching online, you wake up at 3 a.m. or you do the midnight shift. You're working from 12 a.m. to 7 a.m. So I give a lot of props to you guys. Just know that everybody's different, and my body just cannot handle that. Literally, even 6 a.m. is awful for me. I'm more of a night owl kind of person. So, and when I say night owl, like I will maybe stay up till 11 or 12, and then, preferably wake up at 7 or 8. I just don't function well when I have to get up that early. Like 6 o'clock is just torture for me. So, anyway, I figured out how to stop teaching that early. And so I no longer have to get up at 6 or 6:30 usually. I can get up at 7, maybe even 7:15 if I'm feeling tired and I want to just, get ready quickly and then go right to the computer and teach. But 7 is the best. Anyway, so I'm digressing. But I was offered an opportunity to recruit at one of the companies I work for, which is iTutor Group, and I realized, oh my gosh, just by recruiting, you can cut your hours to teach online. So if you start recruiting and you're making, like, depending on what your company offers, almost every company has a referral link. So why aren't we taking advantage of that? I've been in teaching online now since 2016, and just this year, this summer, 2018, I started recruiting. Why did I take so long to do that, to take advantage of that? Especially because I'm a YouTuber, I have a big Instagram. So, and even if you don't have a YouTube channel or you're not big on Instagram, doesn't matter. You can connect with so many people on Facebook in our teacher groups, and so many people do post the companies that they work for. Maybe it's not a specific group just for VIP Kid or just for iTutor Group. You could go to the hired online ESL teachers and promote the company you work for there. So, yeah, come on. Like, why not? Anyway, that's all for today. I just wanted to talk about what I hate about teaching and how to solve that problem. So, I'm no longer brick and mortar. I only work online. I do tutor people in person, and I recruit. So it's great. Income has been doubled. So yeah. What else? What else? Oh, vlogging. So I want to try to do a daily vlog, and that's gonna start today, and we'll see how it goes. So I'm gonna do every day. I just want to do like a few minutes, catch up with you guys, talk about teaching, and that'll be it. All right, so tomorrow, look forward to what I eat for breakfast. All right, bye.